Hello parents, in this video I am going to talk about three things. First, the importance of the first 1000 days in your child's life. Second, the biggest challenge modern day parents are facing right now. And third, what is the way out? Let me start with a question. As parents, what are your aspirations about your child? हर पेरेंट का ये सपना होता है कि उनका बेटा, उनका बच्चा संस्कारवान बने. He should become intelligent, confident and capable. And for that, you do the best of the best things for him. Best toys, best school, best college, best coaching, everything you do. You don't leave any stone unturned and you hardly care for the money spent on all these. बट डू यू नो आपके बच्चे के फ्यूचर के लिए बेस्ट इन्वेस्टमेंट किस एज में होना चाहिए? इट इज़ नॉट द स्कूल, नॉट द कॉलेज, it is the first 1000 days of his life, because in this period 75% of the brain gets developed and the child has got lot of energy and curiosity to learn new things. Let us understand the process of brain development to get more clarity. At the time of birth there are 100 billion neurons roughly in the child's brain and they all keep on roaming freely in the brain. Now as the child experiences new things like वो क्या देखता है, क्या सुनता है, किस चीज़ को टच करता है, क्या खाता है, एंड सो वो पांचों सेंसेस का यूज़ करता है एंड 5 एलिमेंट्स की एक्टिविटीज़ करता है. When the child does these activities, these neurons get connected. तो जितनी ज़्यादा एक्टिविटीज़ वो करेगा उतने ज़्यादा कनेक्शंस बनेंगे और जितने ज़्यादा कनेक्शंस बनेंगे उतना शार्प ब्रेन होगा. So there is a direct relation between the strength of connections, number of connections and the sharpness of the brain. Now the problem is इतनी सारी एक्टिविटीज़ लाए कहाँ से? अब इसके लिए आप क्या करते हैं कि यू स्क्रॉल द सोशल मीडिया, यू सी व्हाट्सएप वीडियोज़. अब दिक्कत क्या आती है कि ये सब अलग अलग बातें करते हैं. Everyone has got a different story to tell and you get utterly confused. What is the option? The next option is you bring random toys and games for the child और उसका आप कमरा भर देते हैं. एक मज़े की बात बताऊं? And you also must have noticed that the child gets bored with these toys in a few days only. Now what is the next option? The next easy option is that to engage the child you hand over the mobile phone to him. और ये सबसे बड़ी गलती होती है. मोबाइल इस एज में उसका दोस्त कम और दुश्मन ज़्यादा है. स्टैटिस्टिक्स तो यही कहते हैं 95% of the parents they are struggling with the mobile addiction of their children, and countries across the globe they are banning the use of mobile phones by children below the age of 12. As parents you also know that how dangerous it is to hand over the mobile phone to your children. उसका फोकस स्पैन कम हो जाता है, उसकी स्पीच लैंग्वेज दोनों हैम्पर हो जाते हैं, उसको बहुत जल्दी जल्दी गुस्सा आने लगता है. And the most important thing, he is hooked to a single activity. Because देखो क्या किया आपने कि उसको मोबाइल दे दिया. Now he is hooked to the mobile. He is doing the single activity. जबकि उसका होना क्या चाहिए था? The child should have done multiple activities, various activities. उसको तरह तरह की एक्टिविटीज़ करना चाहिए थी. क्यों? क्योंकि उसके ब्रेन के न्यूरॉन के कनेक्शंस बनना थे, उनको स्ट्रॉन्ग होना था, एंड यू हैव कन्फाइंड द चाइल्ड टू द सिंगल एक्टिविटी. बट द क्वेश्चन हियर इज इतनी सारी एक्टिविटीज़ लाए कहाँ से? सो कुशाग्र हैज़ अंडरस्टूड दिस प्रॉब्लम ऑफ द पेरेंट्स. आफ्टर 12 years of research, कुशाग्र हैज़ developed 3000 plus activities for children in their first 1000 days. Toys, games, puzzles, rhymes, stories, art and craft material, flashcards. There are so many activities. And once you subscribe to Kushagra Kids, you don't have to bother about bringing random toys for the child or scroll the social media for activity ideas. You just have to unbox the Kushagra kit and start playing with your kid and then see the magic happen. He won't ask for the mobile phone now because he has got what he really wanted. And two life-changing things happen along with this. You form a long-lasting bond with your child, and second, your home becomes a gurukul and you become the first teacher. The mother becomes the first teacher of the child. माँ अपने बच्चे की पहली गुरु बन जाती है. And yes, Kushagra is not just about the activities or the kits. It is a complete ecosystem. Monthly webinars, one-on-one counseling sessions, and a community of parents for sharing. One of our first subscribers was Ishan. Now he is 15. He has got his own startup and he would like to share something about Kushagra.
Honestly, I don't remember my childhood toys, but I remember Kushagra kits that gave me an edge to play and explore activities with my parents. Today, I have my own startup, I build AI agents, I do podcast, I play the tabla, and I excel in my studies too. People ask me that what is the secret behind it? It's simple. Kushagra built my foundation.
So, if you want to give the right start to your child in these important first 1000 days, then connect with the Kushagra team now.